Okay, we're number 5, and I'm going to use what's called trial and error to do the problem. Now, what's nice about the first term, by the way, there's no GCF in the problem. The first term, it provides no choice if it's to work using integer coefficients. So I'm going to say 11z and 1z. There's no choice on it, by the way. Now, someone says, well, I want to put the z down in 11z, and that's up to you. It doesn't change it. Now, the 10 does provide some choices, by the way. But you know me, I like to use small numbers. All right, so you could use 10 and 1, but I'm going to go with 2 and 5, but there's not much choice on it. Now, someone says, I don't know where to put it anywhere. Don't just, I would say just put it anywhere you want. I'm going to say, I don't know, 2 and 5 here. And this is the tough part. Now, I'm going to say, what do you mean tough part? I got to check it out. 11z times z is definitely 11z squared, and 2 times 5 is definitely 10. I notice the internal sum, though, is negative, so I'll do this over here. Now, let's see if this works out. So what I'm going to do, let's multiply it out. What do you get? 11z squared minus 55z minus 2z plus 10. We definitely get the first term. We definitely get the last term. What's the sum there? It's minus 57. This is the correct factorization. Let's look at the answer key. 11z minus 2, z minus 5. I'm also going to use the AC rule. Let's erase this and put the AC rule down. Okay, what's the A? The A is 11. It's a coefficient on the square term. This is quadratic in Z. What's the constant term? It's 10. What do I get here? 1, 1, 0. I need to find a product of two numbers that gives me 110, and the product of those same two numbers has to add up to minus 57. And this is where a lot of students struggle. But to be you're struggling with trial and error too, though. All right, so you decide where you want to struggle. But I'm looking at this, and I'm going to say it looks like 55 and 2 to me. All right, so I'll put this over here. It looks like minus 2 minus 55. So minus 2 times minus 55 is definitely 110, and minus 2 plus minus 55 is minus 57. So what do? You break it into parts. What do you break into minus 57? It doesn't matter what you put down first, but I'm going to put down minus 55. Z minus 2z plus 10. Now when I say that, you could also do 11z squared minus 2z, I'll do both by the way, minus 55z plus 10. They both lead to the same answer. Let's put the first one down, this one over here. I'm going to say 11z factors out. What are you left off with? Z minus 5. From the second two terms, what factors out? Minus 2, z minus 5. What does this factor into? Well, z minus 5 factors out, and we're left off with 11z minus 2. Is this the correct answer? It's a correct answer. It's the answer that's being listed over here. All right, let's do the other one. It's going to be the same result. What do you see over here? Sorry about that. I'm going to factor out a z from the first two terms. What do you get? 11z minus 2. And I'm going to factor out a minus 5 from the second two terms. What do you get over there? 11z minus 2. What factors there? Well, 11z minus 2 is common to those two terms. We're left off with z minus 5. Are we getting the same answer? Yeah, we're getting 11z minus 2 and z minus 5. Thank you so much.